Hello, in today's video I'm gonna talk about my recent problem with my Volkswagen Taos. I have a emission evaporative valve stack, and I just want to give you a couple of information about it. Hello again. So in today's video I just wanna talk to you about the problem that looks like it's pretty common in Taos. I have 2022 Volkswagen Taos, and about a month ago while I was pumping the gas, I noticed that when you put the nozzle in the tank, it was basically popping off every 2 or 3 seconds. So it took me a long time to pump the gas. And another sign that something was weird is that when I was pumping the gas, I heard like a whizzing noise coming out of the inside of the tank. Supposedly this is not uncommon, and this leads to some other issues. So why do I want to address this issue is that my car is still under warranty. It's only about 2.5 years old. I still have about 6 months warranty, and I have no check engine lights. So I just connected my computer because there was some other issue that I wanted to check, and this was basically discovered by mistake. When I run my computer, as you can see, I use AutoFix 5600, which is specifically designed for Volkswagen. I got this weird error. So I was thinking next day maybe it's gonna disappear. I tried it again, and the next day I got exactly the same error. I left my car yesterday at the dealership, so right now it's being fixed, but it's been almost whole day and still the guys didn't figure out what to do. So my advice to everybody that has Volkswagen Taos or any other Volkswagen, because of some kind of special design of the tank and evaporative system over there to save gas, this is kind of not uncommon problem, but you're not gonna see a check engine light. If you have a computer, just run random check just to see if you don't have this problem, because I don't want to be in a situation when 6 months after my warranty expires, all of a sudden have something wrong with my car, and then I have to pay $1,000 for the repair. So I'm gonna keep you posted after my car is fixed, what was done and what is the fix. But today is just first part of my video about how to fix this problem and what's wrong with it. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll keep you posted on how dealership Volkswagen fixed that issue. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.